The warning "4-wheel drive system currently unavailable" in the Infiniti QX30 is scary, since it smells like a lot of money will need to be spent in the dealership. And also there is not much information on Infiniti or Nissan forums about it. That's because the QX30 didn't use Nissan engines and transmissions. The vehicle is basically a Mercedes car, and all its warnings are connected to Mercedes diagnostic systems. So this 4-wheel drive system currently unavailable message may pop up in basically 3 cases. When there is a problem with one of the ABS sensors, which is easy to spot with the ABS light on the dash, then if there are issues with some engine sensors, which will be indicated by the check engine light, and also if there is a common problem with the shifter. In this case, you will see the 2 warnings, the 4-wheel drive system currently unavailable, and also service required, do not shift gears or something like that. The shifter problem is usually cured by replacing the main and auxiliary 12-volt batteries. The main one is under the hood, while the auxiliary battery is under the carpet on the front passenger's side. Both last up to 5 years, and then they will throw all kinds of codes, even though the car may still start and drive. I would start with replacing the batteries if they are old enough, since this is the easiest fix for this warning. If you have the check engine light or ABS light on the dashboard along with this message, the best thing would be to get a good Mercedes compatible scanner and read the codes. Now, this will quickly point you at the problem, and in most cases it's something like a cheap ABS sensor that is faulty, and the repair is not going to be expensive.